How to download TikTok videos without a watermark. So welcome back to another simple video everyone. In this video, we'll show you how you can easily download or save TikTok videos to your iPhone or Android photo gallery without that boring watermark. The process is really simple and it will take you a couple of seconds. Let's open the TikTok app on our iOS or Android device and then find a TikTok video that you want to save. I'll download this particular TikTok video right here, so what I have to do is to tap on the little sharing icon at the right side of the screen and my sharing menu will pop up. You don't want to click on the Save Video button because that will save our video with the watermark, but we don't want that. What you have to do is to scroll through the middle section here and find the copy link button. When you find it, tap on it and we will get the TikTok video link that we need. After this step, exit the TikTok app and open any web browser. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can use any web browser that you want. Now we want to click on this little URL bar and then type Snaptic. Now this search result will appear that says TikTok video download, so I will click on that and it will open this website. I will leave the website link in the description of this video if you can't find it. So open this specific website and it will look something like this. You want to paste the link that we had copied in the TikTok app, and that is the link of our video. Just paste the link and click on this download button. And it found our video as you can see, so we want to tap on the download button one more time, and the website will show you an ad, but you can click on the little X button to exit it. And then your browser will ask you if you want to download this. So click here and wait a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes until our TikTok video downloads. The longer the video, the longer we will have to wait. And when I open my Safari downloads, you can see that my video is here, so I'll just save it to my photo gallery. And when we open our photo gallery, we can see that I have the TikTok video in here without the watermark. It's clean and it doesn't have those boring usernames across it. Now if this helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.